If you're a plaintiff in a personal injury suit, what things should you avoid doing while the suit is pending? Here are a few things. Number one, do not post on social media about your life. I know this might seem like a sacrifice, but you can give up social media for a few months or a year while it's pending. This includes not just things about the lawsuit, but even what you're doing. Anything you post on social media, I promise you the insurance company is going to use to say, see, your life isn't that bad. Yeah, you have debilitating back pain, your neck's not going to be right ever again, you have concussions that have changed your quality of life, but hey, look, this one time you posted a picture of you and your kids at the park or at Disney World. You had a really nice week and you were in pain the whole time, but look at that, you're smiling in this picture. I know it's silly, but they're going to use that against you. So don't post about it, don't talk about your life, don't talk about your vacations, keep that off of social media. The second thing that you should avoid doing while you're in a lawsuit is talking to friends and family about the lawsuit. This is true for any kind of lawsuit, but it's especially true for an injury suit. What you tell your friends and family can get discovered by the insurance company that's defending the other side. So if you filed a suit and you tell your family, yeah, this is what happened and this is how they hit me and this is how long I was hurt, anything you tell them, the insurance company will ask you in your deposition, who have you talked to about this? They will ask you in your written discovery. You can't lie on those things. This is under oath, and lying can get you in big trouble and can hurt your lawsuit. So you're going to have to tell them, yeah, I talked to my mom. I told my best friend, Sarah, I confide everything to her. Any of that makes them now a witness. That means that they can get drug in and have to spend the day answering questions in a deposition. And they may even innocently misremember things that you said. They might say, yeah, I think she told me she was hurt for she didn't feel anything for a month after the accident. And you say later, that's not what I said. I told you that I didn't have head pain for the month after the accident or something like that. But the way she testifies makes it look like you're not being honest. So it's best just not to talk to anybody except your lawyer, your doctor, your spouse, your pastor, priest, rabbi, whoever your spiritual counselor is, who's part of a church or organized institution where you can have privilege. Talk to those people. Try not to talk to anybody else about it. Third and finally, it's super important that you keep getting treatment when you've been in an accident. Sometimes bills get expensive. It gets hard. Life goes on. You don't want to keep going to that physical therapy the doctor's telling you to do 3 times a week. And what ends up happening is later the insurance company comes back and says, well, she must have been feeling better, right? She stopped doing that treatment in the middle of the summer, so she must have been feeling better. And that's not true. You were too busy. You were in pain. Too much trouble with your kids, whatever else. Keep getting the treatment. The treatment is part of you getting better. It's also part of building and demonstrating your claim. So those are 3 quick things to make sure that you keep in mind when you're involved in an injury lawsuit.